Python installation. Now Python can be installed by going to this link, and this link contains the platform specific files which you should be downloading. For Windows you'll have a .exe file, for macOS you'll have a .pkg file, and for Linux Python comes bundled with the OS, so you don't really need to download Python. You can just go to the terminal, type in Python or Python 3 if you want to use the specific version, then just press enter and you'll be greeted with the Python REPL. So for Windows we'll go and see how it is downloaded. macOS the process is similar, it is exactly the same, you just have to download the pkg file and just run it. So we'll go to the downloads page, and here you'll find download Python 3.8.2. This is the latest release. Now let's go to downloads. Here we have Python 3.8.2. You double click it, starts running. Yeah, so please remember to add Python 3.82 path. This will make sure that you can access Python from the terminal as a command as well, using which you can run scripts. And then just click on install now. I have already installed, so I will not be doing this. So yeah, back here. Now let's move on to see our first program in Python. So I'll open up PowerShell, and in here I'll type Python. Now when you type Python, see it shows you Python, then the version of Python that you've installed on Win32. Type help, copyright, credits, license for more information. If you want to see what it is, sorry, it's a method. So yeah, this will tell you the help utility. Now whatever you want to ask Python, it can give you the, let's say I want to know more about modules in Python, so it will just list out all the modules and all. So right now let's not dive deep into that. I interrupted it with the keyboard, and I am back on the Python REPL. So let me exit the REPL and just clear this all this up. Clear? Yeah. Now we go on to Python REPL. So now I'll just simply be using the print function to print out hello world. And it's that easy. All you have to do is just call the print method. So this is the REPL. This is how you can use the REPL. So REPL is the read eval print loop. So it read this statement, evaluated this statement, that this statement wants to print out hello world to the console, and then gave the result and back evaluated. Okay, so I'll be exiting the REPL now. You use the exit function. So yeah, now if I want to use more functionalities rather than just using small bits of code, I'll be developing complex applications, large applications with Python. So what do you do if you want to have large applications? So for that you'll be needing an integrated development environment, and the integrated development environment that comes with Python is idle. So we'll run up idle. Yeah, and idle started. Yeah, so this is the shell that you'll be greeted with. So now what I want to do is go ahead and open up a new file, the file that I'll be using as a script. So in this script all I want to do is just print hello world. Let's keep it simple for now. You'll see that additional features are there with code coloring, etc. So now I want to save it. Control plus S. Now it's asking me, so I'll just write start.py. Py is the extension that you'll be using to save Python files. So now what I want to do is run module. This Python script will be running as a module. So you run it and you see that it is printing hello world. So this is idle basically. And if you want an IDE which is more powerful and has more features, then we'll go for IDE such as PyCharm. So let's open up JetBrains. So all you have to do is look up PyCharm download. You'll be redirected to the download PyCharm jetbrains.com. So JetBrains is the developers of PyCharm, and then you'll go on to download. From here, the community, because we won't be using much features with Django and all of that, we won't be using that. So you'll just go to community and download, and you'll find this file. When you'll run this, you'll have a setup for PyCharm. Let's see, you'll find this PyCharm community edition over here. You'll run up PyCharm. It's taking some time. Yeah, you confirm, continue. If you want to send anonymous statistics, yeah. So if you want to create a new project or open an already made project, so we'll be using this later in the course. For now, let's close this. So that's all for this course. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.